pasando, usando, con lírico en la casa vacilando, ando, porque se está quedando con el mando, bien duro está sonando, todo el tiempo está en la calle calentando.
En la calle ando controlando, ando.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. The lighting's gonna be very off because for some reason my lighting in this room is on that wall and it's not good enough to film from that way this way. So I just opened up my curtain, what the heck? My cortina. Well, they're not even cortinas, they're like the little, I don't want to say it's called. My mind is just gone. Okay. But yeah, so I'm using the natural lighting from outside and the sun is not out because it's winter time, so it's just pale blue sky, white sky, I don't know. So that's the lighting. I am going to get a ring light soon, either a ring light or the actual lighting to film with, but I'm thinking of getting a ring light first just because it has a little stand, the little stand for my phone, that we can do better lighting videos. But yeah, this is what I'm going for today. I did break out pretty badly there, and I have a couple more over here. For some reason my camera is not picking up the ones I have here, not much today, but yeah, so I just did my brows and a little natural shadow. I do have mascara in the car, so that's what I am going to be applying today. I have the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. So I'm not putting any lashes on because I am legit out of lashes. So I need to add that to my shopping cart before I do a makeup video. I think I have one pair, so I will be doing a makeup video pretty soon. That was gonna be applying this Glow Booster Illuminating Moisturizer by Garnier Skin Active, and it's an apricot scent or whatever. That is all, and it adds a little bit of a glow. My camera's obviously not gonna pick it up right now, but yeah, so let's talk about why I'm doing this video. I'm a little late on it. I already got my bonus badge on Influencer for this package. I'm supposed to review it. Well, yeah, review it, you know, that's why I get it sent. But so you guys remember last time I got this little Influencer box and what came in it. I'm gonna do a little reminder. I have this voucher for the what is it called, the Country Cook plant butter, but I have not been able to find it in stores here, so I have not gotten it for that reason. So that's pretty much what I have from that. But the other items that I got was the Photo Focus 3-in-1 primer, prime water, and the prime drop primer, so the actual primer, and then the spray from Wet n Wild. Love Wet n Wild. That's one of my like go-to drugstore brands. Super affordable, and I feel like it's amazing. I love it. I also got the lashes from Naked Drama Collection in the Style Tool. For me, those lashes were very natural lashes, something I would wear with this look right now. When I wore them in the other video, it was, I want to say something so dramatic because I was reviewing so many products at the same time. I had gotten the Frida Kahlo palette and was trying to make a look out of it. Not my favorite palette ever. I really just got it for the collection, and I am filming on top of the box, the collection box. So that's pretty much what I got it. And then I got the Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which I tried it out. It smells amazing, and it looks like it has glitter in it, but nothing goes in your hair, you know, whatever. And I also got the Smile Prime, which I have here still. It smells like, to me, like burnt oil from a car oil, you know, like like that, but it's supposed to help like if you get a mosquito bite, dry skin, minus skin irritations, ingrown nails, which I do not. I have not tried that, and I tend to get an ingrown nail on my toe, so I should try that. Splinters, insect bites, and boils. I had an insect bite and I tried it, and it actually helped it not get into a big bump, because that's what happens when I get a mosquito bite. But yeah, this is what I got in this influencer box. Oh wait, and this was a Summer Splash Folks box. And I don't know if it's because where I live or what, but my things always come in very late. So this is the one that I recently got, and this is the Influencer Gold. Let me see if it works. It's a Squad Gold Vox box. So let me go with I got in here, and I'm gonna take out one thing that I need right now a lot. So I got this EOS balm. This is the 100% natural, 100% delicious lip balm in honey, and it is. I always in middle school, at least I think they like started getting a lot like popular in middle school. In middle school, like I knew all the girls I knew had one of these, and then you had those girls who had like 5 of them. Why, I don't know, but they just wanted to have them. They're like the Bisco girls who have like all them scrunchies for no reason. Yeah, and they had these. Super hydrating. And this is a Get Long Lasting Moisturizer with all natural honey and lip balm, which tastes like wildflower honey, dripping right from the honeycomb. To me, it just tastes like, yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet, yeah. But I mean, I can taste still like the lip balm taste. So yeah, okay, the next thing that I got that I did use as soon as I got it because I was getting sick, I got these, which these are the wellness formula, and these are high potency vitamin C plus 25 nutrients and herbs, which help make, wait, can't read either. Herbs make wellness formula the combination, the complete daily immune support. I used these that one day. Let me tell you that. I used it that one day because they smell horrible. Why is this not coming out? Okay. They have this big ball of cotton. Oh my gosh, so bad, so bad, so bad. I don't know why I keep on smelling them. They smell bad, and they are huge. Like, this side of some are like thumb, so it's like an inch or whatever, you know. But they smell horrible, so I took it that one day, and I did not take them again because because how it smells, you can taste it like throughout the day. Like, I had like little burps coming up of this taste, and it take 3 tablets. Her best results began taking wellness formula tablets at the very sign of imbalance in your well-being. During imbalance, take 3 tablets twice a day. Yeah, no. This is Mia. Okay, come on, I'll get you 2. This is Toby. So they are brothers and sisters, and obviously this one came out fluffy. I don't know why. Do you not want to be in my video or what? Because you were just crying. Toby. So yeah, those are my doggies. So the last thing I got was the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and I believe this was a limited edition. It does say limited edition here. But I think you can get it on their webpage only, and it has a little skull on it. So that was their Halloween item in there. And this is a high pigmented extreme shimmer highlighter. Has a silky weightless feel. The effort adds a multi-dimension glow. This for me too light, but when I saw it, okay, I was really hoping I got the black one because they have a black one. But obviously you can pop this in the inner corner of your eyes, on your brow bone, use it as a shadow. But let me do a little swatch. Okay. And I do have some like of my foundation that I use to conceal, and it does oxidize, so that's kind of why I use it. But it is cute or whatever. It has like a little purple undertone to it. I don't know if you guys can see it. But obviously applying with your fingers one thing and applying with the brush is another. I love using Wet n Wild highlighters. I have their loose highlighter. I have their Mega Glow highlighter, which yeah, I also have their first highlighter that came out with little, I think it was their first, I'm not sure, don't quote me on it, the one with the little hummingbird on it. I have that one. I have the little round highlighter thing, which I love because it's more of a settled highlighter, so we'll use it whenever I just want like a no makeup kind of look day. But yeah, so that is all I got for this Vox box. So this was the Halloween one, and the reason why I say I always get mine late for some reason, I don't know if it's because where I live or what, but everybody got it. Well, they on the influencer page, I saw some people had already gotten it when I was really getting my email that I qualified for this box. And I got this legit 2 days before Halloween, I think. Halloween was on a Wednesday. I don't remember, but I think I got it like 1 or 2 days before Halloween. So yeah, and you get like 30 days to redo it. So technically I'm not that far behind, but either way, obviously hashtag school goal box Vox box. Wow, try to say that 3 times fast. Out of millions of members, there's just one you. Congrats on making our list of handpicked influencers to receive this Vox box. Get ready to explore, indulge, and share. So you guys can qualify to get a Vox box. All you have to do is sign up to it. I will leave a link down below if I know how to do that. Oh my gosh. So you guys can click on and subscribe and get into it. There is everything. There's everything from makeup to skincare products to things for your children that you can review on there. Food, obviously, like I got that butter thing. But yeah, there is so much you can do on there. You can post pictures, post videos, comment and like on other people's reviews. You can get badges for reviewing certain items. You can get, okay, so it's later in the day today, and the reason why I am filming and added this now is because I forgot to say, you guys, well, I didn't forget to say, but I got erased. You get sweet deals, you get special like deals, I guess, kind of. I got one for a hair treatment before it even came out to hit the market. I had a chance to buy it, and I would also get a free gift, or you can buy certain things. They'll have like challenges, you can get cash back or things. But yeah, super fun, super easy. And that's all I wanted to say, and I'm gonna say goodbye in this part because I forgot to film the ending of it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry for the way I look very rough, but this is my day-to-day kind of look. Sometimes I won't even have the brow or shadow, and my mascara kind of smeared off because I was laughing and teared up. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. I upload once a month, I believe. That's what's been happening. I promise I will try to upload a lot more. And yeah, thanks for watching.